So this is RingConn's newest smart ring, priced at about $349, and it really feels like they're trying to push things beyond just basic health tracking. First thing I noticed is the design. It's still super lightweight titanium, but slightly thicker than the Gen 2. Not uncomfortable at all, just noticeable if you're upgrading. The new finishes do look more premium, especially the brushed options. Now the big upgrades are actually in the features. You get built-in haptic vibrations for things like inactivity alerts and sleep wake-ups, which is honestly something I didn't expect at this price. There's also new vascular health insights, which aim to track long-term heart trends, not just daily stats. Battery life is another win, around 2 weeks on a charge and even longer with the case. My early verdict? If you don't own the Gen 2, this is an easy recommendation. But if you do, the upgrade is more nice to have than essential.